Breaking news from New York, where a helicopter has gone down in the East River. Good evening, everyone. I'm Peter Downs.
And I'm Andrea Fujii. Let's get right to CBS 2's Christy Fajardo live in the newsroom for an update on the situation in New York. Christy?
Andrea and Peter, that tourist helicopter plunged into the East River around 4 o'clock our time. We learned just a few minutes ago that at least 2 people were killed. Take a look at this. You're looking live at the scene where the helicopter is reportedly inverted in the water. The New York Post is reporting that the pilot was able to get out and climb aboard a raft, but 5 others were still trapped inside. Now we've learned 2 of them have died. This is video posted to Twitter showing the emergency response to the chaotic.
The cause of a dramatic helicopter crash in the Hudson River near Manhattan is still a mystery this morning. Witness videos show the chopper spinning out of control and slamming into the water yesterday afternoon. The pilot managed to escape and is okay. David Begnaud is near the crash site with more on what happened. David, good morning to you.
Gail, good morning. It's raining right now, but the weather was beautiful. Sun was shining. Tourists were out. Midtown Manhattan. A lot of people thought the helicopter pilot was trying to do some kind of stunt yesterday before the chopper plunged into the water. Crowds of people were watching. The helicopter was clearly in distress, spiraling in the air and then just dropping from the sky.
Oh my God! I thought he was doing tricks.
I still wish I could breathe underwater.
Me too, Ned. Fluorescent snapper. What? Billy. What's that? A good sign. The last time we saw that big shit kicker here was... Something popped up there, didn't it?
I heard a pin snap loose in the rotator mechanism.
This is gonna hurt.
Ned! Ned!
Now to major developments late today in the Kobe Bryant helicopter crash investigation. The preliminary report from the NTSB just in tonight and what we've now learned. Here's Adrienne Bankert.
Tonight, the new report on the crash that killed Kobe Bryant, his 13-year-old daughter Gianna, and 7 others, including their pilot, who in their final moments told air traffic control they were climbing to 4,000 feet. But in reality, they were falling, according to the NTSB, evidence that the veteran pilot may have been disoriented in the fog. This and other details part of more than 1,000 pages of communications now made public, including text messages sent from the pilot, Ara Zobayan, one of Bryant's preferred pilots. The report outlines that those who flew for the NBA champion had to be thoroughly vetted and on an approved list of pilots, and that the aircraft was required to be a dual-engine helicopter. Leading up to the flight, employees with OC Helicopter and Kobe's driver talked about weather and logistics. The night before, the crew asks, does weather look okay tomorrow? The pilot says, Just checked, not the best day tomorrow, but it is not as bad as today. Crews asking again the morning of the crash, how is weather looking for a 9 a.m. departure? The pilot saying should be okay. With crew chiming in, I agree. The helicopter wheels up 6 minutes past the hour. Less than 30 minutes later, Kobe Bryant's driver says just started raining lightly here. 15 minutes later at 9:48 a.m., the crew asked, did they land? Their driver responding, not yet.
And just minutes before that text exchange, the helicopter had already crashed. Investigators have yet to determine an official cause.
Batman to Robin. Ease off on the power. Increase sync rate.
Roger. Wilco.
Hand me down the shark repellent bat spray.
Esto no es solo una farmacia, es obtener tus medicamentos a la puerta de tu casa, con entrega el